All right, in news just coming in, Ramdev's aide, Ved Pratap Vaidik, who has been in the midst of a storm, has now split saffron ranks after the RSS support to the Ramdev aide, former BJP leader and Vajpayee aide Sudhindra Kulkarni, has now come out in full support of Vaidik's intentions. Kulkarni, who was also in the delegation comprising Vaidik, said that the aim of the visit was to boost bilateral ties. Kulkarni says, and I quote him here, "I know Dr. Vaidik for a long time and he is a patriot and is working for the betterment of ties between the two countries and not only India-Pakistan but also SAARC," unquote.
I only know one thing. I know Dr. Vaidik well. He is a patriot. He has been passionately advocating better relations between India and Pakistan for more than 30 years. He is also very active in promoting the concept of SAARC. He has been visiting Pakistan, Afghanistan, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka for a long time.
All right, our correspondent Kamlesh Suthar now joins you live from Mumbai. Kamlesh, what Mr. Vaidik has successfully managed to do is not only kick up a storm, but also, at least at the face of it, show that there is a divide within the saffron parties over his stand and his meeting with Hafiz Saeed.
Well, certainly Sudhindra Kulkarni, who is part of the think tank, has been the part of think tank rather, and was also part of the delegation that visited Pakistan, clearly said that the purpose of the visit was just for one day, and whatever or whomever he met after the visit was in his personal capacity. But Sudhindra Kulkarni did not forget to mention that he has known Dr. Vaidik for a long time, and as far as he knows Mr. Vaidik, he is a staunch patriot and has been working for the betterment of ties between India and Pakistan for last so many years. So clearly, as you mentioned, Vedika, there seems to be a divide in that, and also some open clean chits coming in from former ideologue of the party as well.
All right, Kamlesh, we'll keep coming back to you for more. Clearly an embarrassment for the BJP that's been distancing itself from Vaidik, at least till now. Also, senior RSS leader Indresh Kumar described Vaidik as a nationalist leader and hoped his decision to meet Hafiz Saeed was in national interest. The RSS leader described the Jammu and Kashmir issue as an unresolved one between India and Pakistan. The RSS defense comes in the wake of the BJP-led centre distancing itself from Vaidik over his alleged statement on the state of Jammu and Kashmir and his meeting with Hafiz Saeed in Pakistan. Now, Vaidik, a Baba Ramdev aide, has earlier claimed that he has no links to the RSS. Well, while the Saffron Brigade seems to be divided over Vaidik, the Congress is unwilling to let the Narendra Modi government off the hook over this meeting between Vaidik and Hafiz Saeed. The Congress wants the issue to be on the simmer in Parliament. The party has described the Ramdev aide's meeting with 2611 Mastermind as something which is not linked to any individual. The Congress wants the government to clarify who authorized the meeting with the JUD chief and what was discussed. The hardening of the Congress's stand comes after party Vice President Rahul Gandhi yesterday described Vaidik as an RSS man.
Well, we are curious to find out if the Indian embassy here facilitated this event, if they helped this gentleman in any way. That's what we are curious about. No, the man is a RSS man. That's a known fact.
Meanwhile, Youth Congress activists protested against Vaidik. Congress has also been demanding his arrest. The opposition is unwilling to accept the government's clarification of having no role in Vaidik's Pakistan trip or his meeting with Hafiz Saeed.
वो लोगों ने इसके बाद कहा कि ट्रैक 2 और ट्रैक 3 डिप्लोमेसी वो कर रहे थे, तो क्या है भाई, पाकिस्तान के साथ आप गलमैया मिला रहे, हमें कोई एतराज नहीं। हाफिज सईद से आप दोस्ती रखना चाहते करो, क्योंकि इस चुनाव में तो आपने बड़े जोर से चिल्लाया कि हमारा कोई मतलब नहीं। अब पाकिस्तान आप और जो है हाफिज सईद ये सब आपको अच्छे लगने लगे, जिन्होंने इस देश में आतंकवाद फैलाया। तो इस सरकार की जो है नीयत पे शक हो रहा है। यहाँ सफाई देते हैं और पीठ पीछे पता चलता है। इसका मतलब कोई न कोई तो सरकार के अंदर है जो इनको सबको प्रोत्साहित कर रहा है।